Did I just get a blowout? Yes, I did. Am I still going to install this 30-inch bust down from Nadula? Baby, absolutely. Let's get into it. Period. Where the hell I put that wig at? No, that's because y'all sending too many wigs. Where the hell? Where I put that? Hold on. Where I put the wig at? Here you go right here. This the 12-inch Yaki bomb from Nadula. Okay, come on, let's get into it, baby. Don't play. You couldn't clock it if the time was now. What we talking about? And for some reason, if you just couldn't tell on my head, baby, check the lace out. Look at that. Oh, why is it so natural, though? This looks really good.
And as if that wasn't enough, let me show you what it's looking like when it's wet. Yeah, you see it.
Baby, the texture was blending in so good. Y'all didn't even know. Then you got a 5x7 parting space. Hold on, because can you see it? 5x7 parting space. What? It's pre-plucked and pre-cut and pre-bleached. Let me put my blowout here back on. Hold on. Because this going to get them. Talking about you like natural women. Let me get natural for you. Talking about they only told the girls that wear their own hair. Say less. Baby, less was said. And now I like a middle part. But you can part it on the side. Hold on, girl. Go to the side. Girl, go to the side and show the people. It's giving rap tees. Okay, so boom. And you can part it right there. It look good. You can do it deep. You can go even deeper. All the way on the side. You see that? Y'all can't tell me this not cute. Baby, you lying. I don't even believe you. See, now I can't trust your judgment because you over there lying. I look good. On my mama. On my hood. Now y'all can stop lying and saying that your mother put a perm in your hair in the 3rd grade and your hair don't grow. Won't nobody ever know. Baby, the hair that you couldn't grow is right here. All you gotta do is purchase it. If you want somebody to text you Grand Rising Queen, this the wig right here. I'm telling you right now because I know something. Y'all really couldn't clock it. I got y'all. So that means you need to be fooling people too and get you one. Nadula did that. They did. Okay. Yeah, no, they did that.